Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix payment method not working on iPhone. If you're using an iPhone and your payment method is not working, so let's see how can you easily fix that. So first of all, you just have to open up your settings, then go for screen time, and here you have to select the content and privacy restrictions, and here you have to go for this app store or app installation and purchases, and then select in-app purchases, and from here you have to make sure that you have selected allowed, or if you're still having the same issue, so you have to open up your app store, tap on your profile in the top right corner, and tap on profile again, and here you have to enter your Apple account password, and once you enter the passcode you will get this type screen. Here you have to select the country or region, and here you just have to select the region or country respective in which you're living. So just scroll down and look for your country or region, then select that, and here you have to tap on this continue option, then tap on this agree option in the top right corner, and here you have to enter your credit card or debit card informations, and once you have entered you have to simply tap on this done option and your problem will be fixed. And after that you will not even enter problem or issue with your payment method in any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.